Okay, we're going to do a rotation, and we're going to be kind of precise about it. So we are actually going to use a protractor for this, and I'm going to use a fairly simple shape, which is kind of a upside down V shape, so that it has very few defining points. I've got an endpoint here, an endpoint there, and I have a vertex here. So I have 3 defining points, which I'll call A, B, and C. So to start off with, to make this rotate, I'm going to need to have a reference ray coming from the center of rotation through A. I'll line up my protractor, and I'm going to mark off 60 degrees. Because this is going to be a 60-degree clockwise rotation, which means it's going like that. So there's where it's going to end up. A has got to be somewhere on that line. Where is somewhere? Well, that's where I need my ruler. I measure this out. It looks like that's measuring about 1 7/8 inches. So I come over here at 1 7/8, same distance, and that's going to be A prime. A rotated 60 degrees clockwise. So let's do B. I'm going to do the same process. First of all, I'm going to make a reference ray so that I can see what I'm up to. And here I go. All right. New point, new line. I can't rotate B from A. I got to rotate B from B. So I'm going to line this up very carefully. And I'm at 60 degrees. So there's where B prime is going to end up. And again, I measure. Obviously, B is further away, so it's going to be a bigger measurement. This time it's 3 3/8. And so I come over here and measure 3 3/8. 3 3/8. It's isometric, it's rigid, so it's not going to change. And that's B prime. And there we go. Last one is C. I'll do kind of quickly. Reference line. Measure 60. And draw it in. I got to measure how far away it is. This one is 2 5/8. So I'm going to measure 2 5/8, and that will be C prime. And I have successfully rotated 60 degrees clockwise my little V-shaped A shape.